I think, okay, I think we're live. All right. So I guess Facebook Live is more better than YouTube Live. Say hi, Mikael.
Kiss mommy. Kiss mommy.
Ah, blah, blah,
Kiss
blah.
mommy.
Blah, blah, blah.
Kiss mommy.
Let's go tag Jen. All right. Okay. All right, we're back. What's up, guys? Today, right now, we're gonna go live here at Mall of Asia in Pasay. This is SM by the Bay near Manila Bay. It's jam-packed with people. Happy Father's Day to whoever, and let's go check it out. Again, tons of people. Yeah. Look at that. We got tons of people. It's like the olden days before COVID happened. People just living life. Oh, this is like water under me. Oh, there's a carnival over there. Cool. Also, if you guys are enjoying this live, I am doing more lives and vlogs on my YouTube channel, so check that out as well. Check it. Carnival booths here, people doing TikToks, little cool rides over there. Just so much life and people here. Manila by the Bay. I'm not gonna lie, it kind of smells here. It smells fishy, or the ocean stinky, you know? Yeah. Bukuan, we like that, huh? Yeah, okay. There's so much going on. Yeah, just a quick live saying hi and what's up. Again, if you want to watch more of these, you gotta go check out my vlogs, and yeah, on YouTube. So I'm gonna say bye here, but you got a cool glimpse and teaser of what's gonna come up on the next following vlogs. Peace out. I'm Mark. Good to see you. Happy Father's Day to everybody. Peace. I'm out.